Oh, my cat and goose and my too.
Yes, you can do it on your hand, but in my end, it's not allowing me to do because the account not showing up.
And I'm gonna end this. So, oh my goodness. Wow, my mom's come back. Mom's come back. Oh, my mom's come back. I want to say,
But I'm
come
saying,
back.
when I got food, I'm doing the account, everything. All of the account, the three accounts show up in it. I draw money from it already. I transfer money from it to the savings, to the checking account,
Please give me that.
and to the savings account. But now it's not allowing me to go back in it.
The mobile app.
I'm on the mobile app.
No, that's English and business class. Business class, and business class. It's so important.
I'm in the account. I can see both three accounts in the same account. But when it go to transfer, it's not coming up for me to go in it to take out any money. So then it said from account. When I first from account, it giving me checking and saving, but it's not giving me the Christmas balance. That's what I'm saying. The account is showing the both three. But when I go back to transfer to get transfer the money, it's only showing up two accounts. That's what I'm
Pasta
asking.
cookies,
Why
and
that's showing that?
mutton,
You're supposed to show the
chocolate
three accounts
cake,
saying when
eggs
I'm
and
doing the transfer.
bacon,
But it's not.
waffles and bacon, pancakes. The college is I got ordered for this. Three more chocolate. Caveat blue.
Nothing is showing.
No.
When I tap on the top of it, and it come up and it pop up, it's showing the checking account and the saving account. So I can go in the Christmas basket to transfer the money. If I tap on the checking going to come up. When I check, I'm checking, alright, and it's your two account. When I check to two account, then it pop up. But it's not, well, if you put it on, it's gonna tell you there's no money in the next to transfer it to. You understand?
I'm on in
If
a
I
truck
do it from the savings and then
wanna,
the savings one checking back up first, then I put the checking. But when I go back, when it come up back again in the app,
There's people
it show
coming
the
on the
holiday
plane.
fund. When I click on it to make the money, it's not going saying there's no money. So the money can't transfer.
We are just missing
You understand what I'm saying?
couple passengers.
Yes, I am.
Episode.
But it says from account. It says
We don't
from
see no
account.
fingers. Come on, no.
And then
We don't
I
know.
see the alligator press on the alligator.
Let's
So the
close.
first person is checking come up. And then when you check in first, then it's the alligator funds come up. And the savings that come up after it. So I can't press none of them because no
Excuse
money
me.
is in the other two accounts to give me the money that I want from there. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't know what happened because when I check first it's supposed to give me the holiday fund. But that first go up and then the next the checking account to come up and then I type in the money. I'm not seeing that account come up for me to type in the amount. And if I do type in the holiday is supposed to be at the top and the checking is supposed to be at the bottom. But when I do it, the checking on top and the holiday at the bottom. And there's no money because when I type in $50, I'm not getting the money. Like I said, failed or something like that. So you get the
Don't
money
worry
back.
about
There's
my
no
grandma.
money. So the checking is supposed to the bottom.
Say
What I'm
bitch.
saying? So I don't know what's wrong because I'm not dealing with wrong. I'm following what's on the here and the app, but it's not letting me put in the holiday fund on the top first and then just checking at the bottom. Because the holiday is supposed to be the top of the money to go into the checking. But it's not allowing me to do that.
This. Oh, look at your phone. What? Oh my god. Mistakes. Thank you, sir. How many people teleporting? These flames. I hold it, my hands are warm.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
It's ordering for $900 a second. Okay, what for $900? Miss that. So do this. What you just touching toes? I'm sorry, my people touching girls. So they're creepy. Oh, I don't know. I'm tired. Oh, thank you, sir. You would never do that. But why you doing your own bits? I'm not doing that. Because the people being for them acting like I'm their favorite. We'll just do some.
Now we request your full attention. The flight attendants to demonstrate the safety features of board this aircraft. The seatbelt suspended in place. You must fasten the seatbelt, insert the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as you may experience turbulence. There are 7 emergency exits on this aircraft. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the hands from the direction of the arrow.
Flight attendants, please proceed for takeoff.
Reachable slides may also be detached to use as a life raft. Oxygen and the air pressure are wood.
Marty. I can do too.
Maybe the system is slow. The system is slow. It's gonna eventually show up, but it's very slow right now.
Please do that now.
I'm not gonna use it here until I see the money in the account. I'm not gonna make the payment that I wanna make until I see the money show up on
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude.